What's going on, y'all? You're now watching the greatest channel that has ever existed. My name is 𝘰𝘰𝘯𝘵, and I truly appreciate you guys for being here with me. So today I'm just going to get right into it. We're going to talk about how PulseChain is now being forked with Ethereum 2.0 instead of forking BSC or Binance Smart Chain. There's multiple reasons why this is happening, but the first reason is that Binance Smart Chain has been hacked. The bridge between Binance Smart Chain and other smart chains have been hacked. And it's in my opinion, and also Richard Hart's opinion, that best way to fix this is to change the code, to fix the code. But instead of fixing the code, Binance Smart Chain decided to just shut down the entire bridge. And the only way that you can interact with fiat to Binance is to buy some BNB, use that BNB coin to interact with the whole BSC Binance Smart Chain. And then once you're making your gains, convert it back to BNB and then push it back up to regular fiat through big exchanges like crypto.com or Coinbase or like Robinhood. In fact, I'm going to show you the video where he talks about it right here.
I'm banging BSC L1 was secure, but a bridge wasn't. Wouldn't a Pulse bridge hack still be in the cards? Is this even fixable currently?
Was them turning the network off part of their secure part, or was that they turned the network off? I don't think blockchain should be able to just get turned off, personally.
I agree. So that you don't think that would ever happen to PulseChain? Just
you guys with your fucking hard questions.
Sorry.
We're forking Ethereum 2.0, not Ethereum 1.0. So you beat it out of me, you fucks. You wore me down, okay? So the logic was, do we have more faith in the BSC consensus, which we found flaws in, or rotating to several other options of not very well audited consensus, or the extremely well audited Ethereum 2.0 consensus? And my logic is that if you're going to make things right, doing them during a bear is a beautiful time to do it. And I think it will be quicker to use Ethereum 2.0's consensus than to properly audit and secure 𝘊𝘰𝘯𝘵, which is a version of Click.
So yeah, there's a bunch of different problems. BSC got hacked, and also Binance Smart Chain has a bunch of different bugs that were inside of it that was found in the BSC consensus. And definitely it's just a better option to fork Ethereum 2.0 instead of using the BSC fork, or instead of using other less audited forks, to fork with that and then create PulseChain, the PulseChain chain from those forks.
PulseChain will have upgrades, but be primarily the same consensus mechanism that Ethereum 2.0 uses, but is now called Ethereum 1. It's safer, it's faster, and any upgrades that come in the future for Ethereum, such as sharding, we will get on our chain. And we wouldn't have got had we stayed with Ethereum 1.
So yeah, because Ethereum 2.0 has been heavily audited, it's definitely the better option. It makes the launch of PulseChain much, much faster, right? That's all we care about. When is PulseChain coming out? When launch? When launch? We don't really know. We don't have an official date of when launch is going to happen, but estimates is that it's going to happen now. It's like November, December, January, February, in the next 4 months, hopefully, probably. And when you fork Ethereum 2.0, you get to have the immediate effects of whatever upgrades happen on Ethereum 2.0, such as sharding. Sharding allows you to do complicated tasks like ZK rollups or zero knowledge proof rollups, where the regular Ethereum chain is running along like here, and then you decide to create your own shard or your own mini branch, run some data intensive processes right here, do your calculations that uses a lot of the blockchain information. And then once you're done with those blockchain information, you then merge back in with the main branch, okay? Without having to slow down the main branch at all. This is what's going to allow many, many fast transactions to happen at the same time, and many complicated transactions to happen at the same time without slowing down the main branch. And in fact, right here, it says that sharding is a process of splitting a database horizontally to spread the load. It is a common concept in computer science. In an Ethereum context, sharding will work synergistically with layer 2 rollups by splitting up the burden of handling the large amount of data needed by rollups over the entire network. Okay, so this is great. This is awesome. We'll see what happens. He recently released a video on Instagram, him talking about his cars and his hex cars and his NASCAR racing. I was like, no one cares about that. We care about PulseChain. When is PulseChain coming out? No one cares about all that other stuff. So we'll see when it comes out. Hopefully it comes out in the next 2-3 months, right, Richard? I'm telling you this because I thank you. I love you. I appreciate you. Let's get this money.